In this video, I will explain how you can name the series in Google Sheets. So here we have got a simple chart and you can see that this is the first column for which we are showing the sales and ID. Okay, these are the person. Here you can see on the x-axis we have got this person, and for each person we have got this two data points, sales and ID. So basically this is called as a series. Okay, sales and ID, these are the series in this particular chart. Sales is represented by this blue color, as you can see through these legends, and ID is represented in the red color. So if you want to rename the series, so for example here the series is sales and ID. So if you want to change these names, what you have to do is you have to change it over here. Let us say identification, or say ID number. So if you change it here, graph will also change automatically. You can see the ID number is changed. So basically the series has been renamed. And other thing that people try to look for is that how to show these numbers like 34433 in the graph itself. So right now it is just showing the bars like that, but I want those numbers as well. For example, for Sagar, the sales is 344, so it should be 344 displayed here right on the top of this particular bar, and 33 for this red bar. So how to do that? For that, just click on this particular chart, then click on these three dots, click on edit chart, then go to customize, then go to the series, and if you scroll down you will see these data labels. So just select that, and you can see now it is showing these numbers as well. So for Sagar the sales is 344 and ID number is 33. So like that you can show this actual data for the series as well in the graph. That's it. If you have more questions, let me know through the comments.